What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Back in the garage. We're back at it again, working on the ST162 Celica. And you can see Matrix XRS hanging out back here. It's definitely rainy. We got some storm coming through here in NorCal. If you've been keeping up with the last episode, you saw that we replaced our transmission governor, so the Celica shifts through all its gears now. And our issue was the old transmission governor definitely looked like it's seen better days. The plastic gear on there was all chewed up. So today's order of business, we're gonna be draining the transmission fluid, dropping the transmission pan, changing that transmission filter. Hopefully we can find those little plastic bits that broke off the old governor. We're also gonna do an oil change, and I'm gonna drain out all of the coolant out of the car. It looks like it's just water. I got the car up. Let's take a look at what it looks like underneath. All right, so underneath the car, real easy. There's a transmission pan. That star bolt is gonna be our transmission drain plug. We're gonna take out all of these little bolts, drop the pan, see what the filter looks like, and maybe we'll be one step closer to making this a solid daily driver. So the Celica's got 219,000 miles. I definitely know I'm taking somewhat of a risk by draining out this transmission fluid. Argument as old as time, really. Like, if you've never flushed your automatic transmission fluid, then you probably should leave it alone. I know sometimes if you drain your transmission fluid, I mean, for all you know, that old transmission fluid is the only thing that's holding everything together. So when I drain out this transmission fluid, I'm gonna empty it into a container, and I'm gonna measure that volume. And whatever comes out, that's how much I'm gonna be putting back into the transmission. Oh, all right. So the drain plug's not going to come out. That's stripped. So now my only option is to straight up drop the pan and hopefully not make a gigantic mess.
Why are you doing that, baby?
Okay. Oh my God, I'm scared. Oh, Jesus. Oh God.
I see what's happening.
I told you. Okay.
I see what's happening.
Everything is fine.
I see what's happening down there.
Okay.
You okay?
Yes.
All I see is you moving the bucket.
Alright, so this is kind of going okay. If I could just get everything to drain mostly into here, I think we're going to be fine. Transmission fluid doesn't smell too bad. Like, it doesn't smell obviously burnt, but it doesn't look like it's in great shape either. It's definitely not like dark red. So I'm kind of scared what I'm going to find under here. Okay. This looks surprisingly clean. I'm pretty juiced about this. That looks way better than I thought it was gonna look. Not bad for being, what is it, 30-something years old? How old am I? Alright, filter, we salute your service. Thank you for protecting this transmission for the past 30 years. There's our new filter, our new gasket. And we're gonna just clean off these magnets, clean off this gasket material, reinstall our new filter, and refill the transmission.
Daddy? What happens if there's like those things on it?
You have to scrape it off.
But how? It's gonna take like a bajillion years.
No? It takes a minute, baby. It's fine. On stuff like this, you gotta like really take your time, because if you rush it, it's gonna leak, and then you have to do it all over again. Yeah, baby.
What does fudge bolt mean?
I almost messed up, Mama.
Okay.
All right, we spent some time cleaning this transmission pan. I'm happy with what it looks like now. So it's time to put this back on. I'm using my super scientific method. We got about 3 quarts of transmission fluid out, so we're about to pump 3 quarts right back in, and I'm just gonna pour this in through the dipstick hole? Dipstick. Alright, so here's my setup that I'm using to pump this transmission fluid in. Story of my life, my funnel is literally the exact same size as the dipstick tube. So scientifically, I attach the hose to the dipstick port, and we're gonna pump in 3 quarts this way. I got the oil draining out of this thing, and the best way I can describe it is just, damn. Like, it doesn't look like a milkshake, and I don't see any like metal flakes in it, but it's like, it really needed this oil change. I usually like to run like liquid moly in all these cars, but I figured maybe we'll ease up to it. We're gonna use the Valvoline 10W30 synthetic blend. So this is like the perfect design, you know, for the oil filter. Let's put it facing down, so right when you unscrew it, oil spills all over the motor. All right, it's tomorrow. Last night, I mean, it just started getting real dark and you couldn't really see anything. Now we're gonna move to flushing out all the old coolant out of this cooling system. Right now, it looks like it's just water, so that kind of has to be like legit concerned. So we'll be draining all that out, and we'll refill it with some just Xerox Pink. All right, while I got this thing draining out, I just want to take a quick moment to thank everyone that's subscribed to the channel, follow me on Instagram, left comments or suggestions. It really means a lot to me how you know, I can continue to make this content for you guys. I mean, I'd rather take a handful of real ones over a truckload of fake ones. Try not to be annoying and trendy, and I make this channel for you guys, for the real ones that just genuinely love working on cars, classic Toyotas. Really means a lot, so if you hit that subscribe button, I'd really appreciate it. Till then, keep driving those slow cars fast. Pass on the left.
But Daddy, I want to tell you a joke.
Okay, what's the joke?
What kind of shoes does the spy wear?
What kind of shoes?
Sneakers. Get it?
I do get it. That's a good one.
Because they sneak.
Funny. Yes. Because I'm a sneak. I keep it on the down low. No one is supposed to know. Because I sneak. Okay. Going back to this. Hold on, wait. Just sit right